Hi guys, Rashmi here, your skincare and beauty advisor. Today I'll be showing you how to do these DIY stick-on nails at home and how to make them last for 10 to 15 days. So let's get on with the video. So let's start guys. I will show you by starting off with the nail glue. The nail glue that I'm using today is by the brand Kiss. It's called Powerflex nail glue. It's available at all the stores wherever they sell nails and cosmetics, and I'm using these nails by Nailene. These I got a long time ago, so I don't know if they're still available, but I got them from Walmart, so you might still find them, and then you can always buy many more brands online. The nail polish I'll be using today is LA Colors number 527, and I will top it off with Sally Hansen Hard as Nails for the top coat. This box came with this little file, but it's not that great, so I'll be using my own file. And this one I got it from Sally Beauty. It's, I don't even know what number it is, 110 I believe grit. It's kind of wiped out. Here, let me show you the nails. I've already opened the box earlier. So basically it came with all these nails. There's 200 nails, and there's like different sizes. What you do is try to fit the nail on your cuticle and see which one fits good. If it's too wide, then we can move on to a different size. So this one seems to fit better, and I'm gonna keep them pretty short. So I've already selected my sizes here. As you can see, I've pre-selected the sizes, and I've put them, the top layer is for the left hand, and the right one is for the bottom one is for the right hand. So those are the nails. And basically what we will do is we will start with filing the nail. We need to make the surface a little rough. That way there is something for the glue to hold on to. As you can see that I did my nails a couple of weeks ago, so they're still a little gritty. So I'm not going to file them too much because I don't want them to get too thin, otherwise my fingers will hurt. And I've also chopped my nails off with the nail. I have made them extremely short as I could go. And so we will start filing. So I'm taking the more grittier, the rougher side, because I want my nail bed to be really gritty and rough. So I'm just gonna file them real quick. So my nails are all cleaned up now. I just try to dust off all the powder. I cleaned it with a piece of cloth. To make the nail fit, make sure that it fits. If it needs to be filed down a little bit, you can file down the sides like that, and then make it fit, because sometimes none of the sizes will fit perfectly, so you might have to file it down a little bit. So just do that with the filer. Mostly you'll have to do it on the bottoms near the cuticle area. So just make sure it fits good. All the boxes, they come with this kind of a cuticle pusher. So what you do is you push your cuticles back. That way the nail can stick really well. So what we will do is we're going to start with the thumb, and I'm going to take the glue. Basically it's pretty simple. I'm going to put a drop of glue and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm just wiping it down. One tip that I would like to mention here is that I like to do this process at night, especially because you don't want to put your fingers in the water after applying glue. You want to leave them out of water for 6 to 8 hours. That way the glue really sticks, and it's going to help you make your nails last longer. So try to do this process at night if possible. You can always paint your nails in the morning, but if not, at least in the daytime, if you do it, then keep your fingers out of water for the next few hours. That's a very big tip that makes a big difference. So guys, please don't forget to like this video and comment down below if you will be trying this technique at home, and do subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So here we are, all done with the nails. I think they look pretty. Do let me know in the comment section below how you like them, and also please make a suggestion what my next video should be about. So until next time, you all take care. Bye now.